Let's talk about shaper tape. I'm going to share a tip that can save you around $18. According to the internet, some folks encountered issues with the adhesion when it was stored around and below 50 degrees.
This is the coolest.
Really the coolest by far.
So for the sake of that video, we're going to store it around 50 degrees, and this is what happened.
What happened after that moment, we leave you to contemplate.
Bottom line, in order to keep it operational, we recommend you to store it somewhere at the mid or higher 60s. That's our $18 tip for today.